So guys, to get a perfect hairline, we have to measure 4 inches, okay, from the back side, which is the side that we use our needle to sew, okay. Measure out 4 inches. When you are done with that, you fold it into 2 from the part that you measured, okay. Fold it into 2. Then from that 4 inches, measure another 2 inches, okay. From this 4 inches, go ahead and measure another 2 inches. Then from that 2 inches, you measure another 2 inches again. The remaining part is not up to 2 inches, so you just have to leave it like that. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I love you guys, are the best. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. So guys, these are the tools that we'll be using for this: our pencil, our scissors, our measuring tape, needle and thread, okay. Then the Swiss I'll be working with. So I have to add a white paper under the lace so that you guys can clearly see what I'm doing. So the first thing is to measure 13.5 inches, okay. Then use your pencil to mark out wherever the 13.5 inches stop. Then from that 13.5 inches, measure 6.5, which is half of 13, okay, half of 13 inches. Then from that 6.5, measure another 6.5 again. We're going to do this with both sides of the net. Measure out another 6.5 and mark. Then from where the 13.5 inches stops, still go ahead and measure another 6.5. Then repeat this with the other side of the net, okay. Just follow what I'm doing, guys, you understand. So I'm just measuring out another 6.5 inches. I did that for the center, the left end side and the right end side, okay. Then the next thing is to use our scissors and cut out the lace, cut out the part that we need, okay, following the marked the places that we mark. You just want to bring out the size of lace that you'll be working with. Remember that we're making a 13 by 6 frontal lace, and I'm still going to show you guys how you can mark a perfect hairline, okay. So consider watching to the end of this video so that you'll be able to get massive value from it. So guys, this is what we are working with, okay. So the next thing we are going to do now is to measure ½ inch, okay. We are going to measure ½ inch, okay. We are going to measure ½ inch from the end, the back side, okay. Just measure ½ inch. So I just follow what I'm doing, you understand exactly what I'm trying to explain. Then from that ½ inch, I will just trace it out, like make a straight line from that ½ inch, okay. You will do this for the both side. So guys, the next thing is to mark from the place that we trace out, okay. We're just to mark it kind of like we are making a circle, okay. Making a circle. We'll do this for both sides. Just follow what I'm doing, okay. You're just trying to make a kind of circle, okay. making a circle from the place we traced. Just follow what I'm doing, guys. So when we are done with that, it's just to use our scissors and cut that following the line that we mark. Okay, we follow that line and then cut out the excess, the one we don't need. So guys, when I'm done cutting it, this is how it is. Okay, you can go ahead and ventilate it this way if you don't want to sew it, but if you want to sew it, this is exactly how you are going to sew it. Just measure half inch, half inch, okay, from the end side, which is the back side. Okay, just measure half inch and trace it round. Okay, just trace it round like that in a kind of circular motion. Okay, so when I'm done tracing it, okay, just trace it the way you see me to. Then the next thing is to go ahead and fold the lace into two. Remember, we are trying to sew it. If you don't want to sew it, you don't need to do this. Just go ahead and mark out your hairline, then go ahead and ventilate on it. So to sew it, after tracing it round the way we did, because that's the how we are going to sew it, then go ahead and fold it into equal parts. Then use your scissors to kind of cut, I don't know, towards the end of the lace. Can you just follow what I'm doing? Just give it a small cut, okay, because from that cut we will now fold and start the sewing process. So from that end, from the place I cut, I just go ahead and fold. I fold into two, then I fold, I go ahead and start sewing it with my needle and thread. When you are doing this, you can use a thread that's matching the lace color, okay, but if you are okay with black, go ahead and still use the black color. But for me, I'm using the black color so that, because I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. So what I'm doing, sorry that I don't know that my hand is kind of off the camera. I'm just folding. I fold, okay, I fold and I sew, just like that. So guys, if you know that you are finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Click on that like button, guys. Subscribe and click on that like button. If you have any question, go ahead and drop it in the comment section, okay? I will attend to them. If you have any video, there's one particular thing that you're having issue with that you want me to make video on it, let me know in the comment section, okay? I'll consider doing that. If you have any video that you want me to do next, okay, whatever thing it is, just let me know in the comment section. So guys, now is the final part of this video to get our perfect hairline. So just measure 4 inches, okay, from the part you sew, measure out 4 inches, okay. When you are done with that, fold the lace from that 4 inches, just fold it into 2 equal parts, okay. This is for your perfect hairline, so you have to pay close attention to this, okay. Then from that 4 inches, you measure 2 inches from the 4 inches that will mark after folding the lace. Measure 2 inches, okay, measure 2 inches, then mark out the 2 inches, mark the place you stop. Then from that 2 inches again, measure out another 2 inches, I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. If you don't understand, just follow the video, you really understand. The remaining part is now up to 2 inches, so we are just going to leave it like that. Then turn the lace the other side, okay, and still mark out the place you measured. It will be visible. You are going to see it. Just trace it out, like mark it out. So what we are going to do now is to join the two lines, to join the place we marked. That's what we are going to do now. So this is for you to get your perfect hairline, okay? Remember what we did? We measured 4 inches. From the 4 inches we fold, then measure 2, and again another 2. So to mark out this, to join the two lines, what we are going to do, move your hand a little bit down, okay, and you join the two places that you mark from the first 4 inches to the first 2 inches, okay. Just join it. I'm using pencil so that you guys can understand, can see clearly what I'm doing. But if you are doing it for yourself, you can use this light marker, okay, this light marker, and do yours. Then from there, after joining the second one, move down a bit, okay, and then you just follow what I'm doing, guys. I don't know if my explanation is well understood, but if you follow the video, you really understand what I'm doing. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that, okay. When you are done, then turn the other side and still follow the line. It will be visible, very, very visible. Then still follow the line and join the two. Join the line again together. So this is how you're going to mark out your perfect hairline. Okay, so guys, if you know you found any value from this video, please consider subscribing. Okay, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, confusion or whatever. Or if you have anything you want me to make video on, still let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is it. This is our 13x6 frontal made from scratch and our hairline marked. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe, I'm begging you, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.